I'm gonna 4x your ability in terms of performing activity in anything you do in G Suite or Google Workspace. And also, I'm gonna improve your quality of work up to 2 times to 6 times. Of course, you want it right? Of course you do. So let's get started right now. All right, very first step, before we get to start using all the smart features, just to make sure those smart features are being enabled in your Google space. So now to do this one, just go to the Gmail and then you move to your settings. See your settings. And then what you do, you just scroll down or you just press Ctrl F Smart and you see this on Smart Compose, Smart Features, Smart Reply. Make sure these are all on. Smart Features is already been turned on. This is already been turned on. And Manage Workforce Smart Feature Settings. You click that one and make sure these are all both are being on. And bingo, you're all set for utilizing the power of Gemini to Google Workspace. And now I'm going to show you step by step. Now it's time for the Google form. And Google form is the best part is about you definitely can do a form design, but the main thing is actually not only designing the form. Main work is about all the data entered in the form. It wants to Google Doc, a spreadsheet. And that what is the main challenge, looking in the spreadsheet data. And this AI can help you to save 90% of your time by utilizing in the spreadsheet data and reporting. And I'll show you right now one really good use case, and you can do the same way for yourself too. So here's a Google form we have, which is basically a talent application for VSHR Pro Academy. So right now we have around 154 applications here. So now when I can go to the view to the spreadsheet, and now the spreadsheet is already here on the 154 applications. So what I'm going to do, if I try to look each of the CVs, it's going to take me days to finish 154 applications. If I want to look at the CV, and I will be probably very biased. I will not be doing that correctly as well too, because a lot of criteria I'll miss. So I'm going to show you a simple criteria which I can use to actually sort all those candidates in just minutes, not even days, not even hours. So what I will do, I'm going to write down a prompt here. So the prompt is here. I want you to review the whole row and then identify this candidate is suitable for marketing intern position. So let's change the marketing to let's keep it a marketing position in VSHR Pro Academy, and let me know your opinion. And you always ensure suitable candidate have some sort of passion about marketing and experience in marketing. And at the end, okay, I'm going to change this one. There's a not at the end. It should be at the end. Give me your rating 0 to 10. 10 means highest, 0 means lowest. Be critical, and you want and you count each strand as a point to give the rating. And now I select that one. So now I'm put that code here, and it's instantly give me a rating 4 out of 10. So now I'm gonna show it to you. So now I have 154 candidates to review. So I'm gonna just drag it out for another 3 to just show you how magical it is. And instantly giving me the rating for all the candidates. This is 4 out of 10. This is 2 out of 10, and this one, this is not really suitable at all too. So it's probably giving it different kind of data, couldn't really extract into it. No, why not? Let me come in here. I'm trying to push it out one more time. Yeah, there we go. It's giving me 7 out of 10. So now the same way I can just drag and drop to the whole 154 candidates, and I can get the rating. So now I can make a rule, like any candidate more than 7, 8, 9, 10, I will review the rest. I can just send a thank you letter, instantly. So now I can save myself from looking into all those CVs, which is even low ranking, and I focus on 7 and 10, and it's probably cut down my 90% of my brain power and 90% of my eye power, because to look into each of the CVs, I need to look with my eye at the eye power, and then I have to process in my brain to find out is it suitable or not. So I'm outsourcing my all 90% of the brain power and eye power work to the Gemini and getting the rating, and now I'm only looking into the CVs, which is 7, 8, 9, 10. So now for yourself, you could set even 8, 9, 10, or for yourself, you can even set your own standard like 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can do that as well too, and that's how I'm outsourcing those brain power and eye power work to Gemini and saving my 90% of my effort and really focusing on the top candidates, which are really gonna make sense for me to take a look and proceed forward with the different other interview steps. So this is how Gemini can save a lot of time, and this the best part is about Gemini is integrated in Google Docs, and he's also giving me even more suggestions as well too to take a look. So as it's already been integrated to Google Workspace, so it's already there and it's already connected and accessing everything and giving me a lot of hacks. So this is why I suggest that if you're using Google, use Gemini, these 4 ways, and you can save up to 50% of your time, and you can make yourself like 4 times more productive, and also you can put less effort, like half of your effort, and get the result what you're looking for. And some cases like Spreadsheet, you can cut down of 90% of your brain and eye work to the Gemini. So why don't you use it? Use that one and rock and roll.